Hi friends, Namaste. Welcome to my channel Web Techie. Friends, I am Sudhakar Reddy here, and in last video I explained you about how to install Python software in our Windows operating system. Friends, in this video I am going to explain you about how to check Python version as well as how to check that whether the Python is working properly or not. So for that we need to go to the command prompt, and command prompt you can go from by clicking the start button, or you can search in your Windows, search here, and you can see I am in command prompt now. Friends, before proceeding to the next topic, please subscribe my channel, click on bell icon there, and share my videos, like my videos, comment my videos, and let us continue for the topic. Command prompt is showing, and I want to check that whether the Python is installed or not. Just type here Python anywhere, any drive, any folder, you just type it Python. So my Python is installed. If you get this output, means Python is installed properly, it is working it. So at the latest version it is showing it, because different times versions will change it. It is 3.8.5, and you can see this, all these options. And still if you want to check the version, now you can see when I type this Python, what you are getting here, it is you are getting the 3 greater than symbols. Okay, so this is called basically prompt, Python prompt. And if you want to exit, exit and brackets, opening and closing brackets, you have to use it, then press enter. So we are coming out of that. Now if you want to check the version, Python version, python, if they ask you like in interview that how to check the version of a Python, we have to type a Python there and dash dash, and you have to type it version. So it is going to say that Python 3.8.5, only it is showing that version. It is not going to the prompt. The difference between the Python and Python version here, it is when you type the Python, it is taking you to the prompt. But when you type Python dash dash version, it is just showing the version. It is not going to the prompt. That is a difference. Our Python files will be saved as .py. Extension is .py. Py file is there in my drive here, one.py. I want to execute that file, I want to run that. So what I can do is, we have to type like this. If you want to execute a file, to execute a Python file in CMD, we are writing like this, Python space file name, say one.py, that is a file name. Just press enter, that's it. My file is there in E drive, so I'll go to E drive here, E colon. So if you want to change the drive, E colon, we have to use it, Python space file name one.py, if you want to execute this. So now you can see, welcome to Python program, hello Python. So this is what I written in that.